Hello everybody, and welcome to another video by Trendi Switch. Today here we're going to be showing you something a little bit different, and we're going to be showing you the journey that Trendi Switch has been on. So come on over here with me and let's get started. So it all started with our frames. On the left hand side here you have our Gen 1, and on the right hand side here you have our Gen 2. The main reason as to why we switched from the Gen 1 to the Gen 2 is the durability of the plate. It's been able to give us the ability to change it from a 1-year warranty, from what the Gen 1 used to be, to a 5-year warranty, which is a great selling point for a lot of customers and for projects as well. So you know that this product that you're going to get is going to last you for at least 5 years. The other reason as to why we switched from the Gen 1 to the Gen 2 is the Gen 2 will be able to hide the frame a lot better once the plate goes on, so it'll give you that flawless install finish. So the first frame I'm showing you here now is our Gen 1 frame. Okay, so I'll take the plate off of this one and we'll get them a side by side so you can see the difference between the two of them. Okay, the one on the left here is our old Gen 1. Okay, so you can see that the frame here is a little bit thicker, also has these ridges at the side there. And this one is a more sleek finish, nice and smooth, no ridges with your indentations there. So you know that that's the bottom, that's the top. The reason as to why we switched the plates is the Gen 1 plates didn't have the UV coating and the Gen 2 do. So the reasoning as to what the UV coating does is it to enhance the visual effects and to prevent scratches on the plates and blemishes. So the UV coating hides the blemishes and scratches better than without the UV coating. So here at Trendi, we've gone on quite a journey with our packaging. We started off with cardboard boxes, much like this here, with the Trendi Switch logo on the front. Unfortunately, I don't have any to actually show you because we are a responsible company and we recycled all of our unused stuff. Then, after that, we switched to these bags here. Okay. So the reason that we switched to these bags as opposed to the box is they actually protect the product themselves better. And then finally, we switched on to these bags, which are a little bit thicker than the last ones. So we switched to the thicker bags to ensure the product has added protection and are not damaged in transit, and also so that the plates don't get scratched. You'll also notice on the back here that it's BS and CE certified. What is CE certification? The CE marketing indicates a product complies with the EU safety, health, and environmental protection standards. What is the BS standard? The BS standard are set by the British Standard Institution to ensure quality and safety in the UK products. Okay? So buying these, you can have peace of mind when you're installing them. All consumer products require these markings to be sold in the UK and EU. Trendi Switch is not just available in the UK, we are also available in the EU and overseas. As you can see, I'll be taking you through all the different places that Trendi is located in. We are also located in the VIP hotel room. The Lotus car one that I showed you, the Dubai Lotus, we have our silver, and as you can see from the video right there, we have our silver plates in the VIP hotel room as well. And finally, we are also in the collective, which if we scroll down here, you can see our white plates on the wall there. So you know that our plates and our hardware are very good. They get lots of traffic at these places, and they are still working just as the day they left. If you are looking for a change in color in your room, the brilliance of the product is you can purchase the plates on their own, just like this. They'll come in a bag like that. You're going to be looking for this SKU code on our website, the ARTSS4WH for white and SP for spare plate. So you can purchase those on their own instead of buying a completely new product. So the plates are nice and easily removed. You just grab at the edges with your fingers and you push forward with your palm. Okay, it comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay, and then let's say you bought your spare plate, you had a painter come in, they've redone it all. Okay, you can just grab the new one, pop it on, and you're good to go. So you don't need to waste the money on buying a full new product. You can just buy the plates, which you can find that at trendyswitch.com/where to buy 28w.asp.